Abdullah Kneader 5 kg being packed for Daraz order on 8th January 2024. It has a metal blade and a measuring flask and warranty booklet. The machine is okay from all the sides. Show you from the bottom. There are no damages, and now we'll start the machine. The machine is started. The noise level is quite low. Abdullah is the best toe kneader available in Pakistan. This is the max capacity 5 kg machine. It easily kneads dough within 3 to 5 minutes. The machine will automatically stop when the timer comes to the off position. The machine has automatically stopped. It is okay in working condition, and when we pack it in its genuine carton. This is the carton. It has a thermopore at the bottom and a thermopore piece at the top. Then we pack it in this brown sheet and finally in bubble wrap so that it is safely transported in the courier. पैक कर दो.